Hey everybody, how are you doing? I am so excited because this came in the mail. This is my Scribbler subscription box that I get every month. If you missed my unboxing of the first one I got, check it out here. Now, I was recently away for almost 3 months and I came home to 3 of these boxes. I had so much fun opening them. Here's some of the stuff that I got. I got 3 books, 1 in each box. Every box comes with a new book to read. And I got a pack of notebooks. I got a fountain pen, which I really would like to learn how to use. And I got this very nice tote bag. It says, between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be, which is very, very true. So that is what I got in the boxes that arrived while I was away. And now I have a new box to open. We're going to do that right now. Let's do it. So first up, we've got Zizi's birthday cake grahams. So I'm assuming these are fancy graham crackers with birthday toppings. I don't know how you do that. How do you make birthday cake grahams? It's not something I would ever associate with birthday cakes, but you know, there you go. And this is brainstorming brew. You guys, we got coffee. We got coffee. This is so exciting. I get very excited about coffee. So this is brainstorming brew and it says chocolate citrus. That actually sounds really nice. I am really looking forward to trying this out. Wow, coffee in a writer's box is just perfect. Now I'm thinking I need to get myself a word salad with coffee mug to try this out in. I think that's what I'm going to do. And this is our postcard. And I will tell you what it says. This is from the people who run Scribbler. It's difficult to believe it's been 3 years since we launched Scribbler. Some of this journey has been easy, much of it hasn't. But we learned a thing or two along the way, so allow us to share the crown jewel of our entrepreneur education as we step into the rest of this unprecedented, hopeful, miraculous, yes, miraculous year. Don't wait. Don't wait to give that hug, to give that apology, to profess your love. To move cities, to start that company, to take that class, to write that bold, elusive book. You are part of something big, dear artist, and we've got your back. So take a chance, live loud, and write. I can't even add to that. That is fantastic. Complete the story. 200 stories for you to finish using your own creativity. That looks interesting. Oh my goodness, look at this. So it's kind of like a book full of writing prompts. That's what this is. Every page has a writing prompt. You just read what's on the top of the page and then you finish your story. And what is so great about this is that every single person who has one of these is going to end up with a completely different set of stories. This is absolutely wonderful. Then we have this month's writing passport. Now the writing passports are a fantastic little addition to these boxes. They're little booklets that give tips about one aspect of writing or another. So this month it is character arcs. If you are new to writing or you are trying to write your first book, having a collection of these, really fantastic. We have a temporary tattoo that says writer. So you just plop it on your hand or wherever you want to put it, put water on it, let it sit for a bit, and then you have this nice tattoo that stays on for a little bit. And that is not as permanent as some of the tattoo mistakes that I spoke about in last week's video. You're invited to an exclusive writing chat. We also get these in every box. There is an invitation to some kind of a forum that addresses an element of writing. This month, the guest speaker is Justine Bilo, and she works with authors and independent publishers. And then we get to the book that we got this month, Wings of Fury. I will read you the blurb on the back. My mother told me that men would speak about the golden age as a time of peace and happiness for all. However, the women of our age would tell a very different story. Cronus, god of gods, whose inheritance is the world, among his possessions, women imprisoned and fated to serve. The strong-minded Althea Lambros controls her own fate and lives to honor her dying mother's plea to protect her 2 sisters at all costs. Althea's journey toward crushing the tyranny has begun. It is a destiny foretold by the fates, and she is following their visions. On the southern isle of Crete, hidden among mortal women who have fled the Titans, is the boy god, son of Kronos and believed dead. He shares Althea's destiny to vanquish the Almighty, fate willing. Because Cronus has caught wind of the plot, he is amassing his own forces against Althea's righteous rebellion and all those who will no longer surrender or run. There will be war. If she's to survive to write their history, the indomitable Althea must soar higher than any god. And the author, Emily R. King. So that's another great box from Scribbler. I do keep and use a lot of these things myself, but I'm also stashing some of it away for a giveaway box that I am planning for a 500 subscriber celebration. As of today, I have 371 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who has clicked that button. When I have 500, hopefully that will be soon, I will be packaging up some of these goodies in one of these boxes and sending it to one of you. Meanwhile, if you want to check out Scribbler for yourself, here's their website. They support and actively promote diversity in writing. So it's really exciting to support them. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you on Monday.